Here, this model is in its defaults. Before exporting, we need to control the unit, as I told you before. And as I said, it should be in centimeter. But this model which is here, is it standard? Its units are correct and standard or not? We have some different technique to check this. One of them is that we can draw a box or a cylinder here over this model. Then I can check its dimensions. It should be high as this, for example, which here its radius is 17 centimeters, for example, and its height is 66, and it makes sense, so I delete it. Another technique is here, utility, then this item here, measure. When you click, whatever you select here, you can see its dimensions along X, Y, and Z here in this section, which here X and Y are 33, but in Z it's 62 centimeters, so it's acceptable. Okay. I select the subject, then here File, Export, Export Selected, because I just want to export the item which I selected. Then here I choose the path, back, then folder 2, a new folder, FBX. I add a name, pivot, 1_pivot. Save. Here in this window, in the main setting, its name is Autodesk Media. In this section, I select smoothing group, and this one, and this one. Okay. The materials here are V-Ray materials or V-Ray plugin material, and later I will talk more about this important topic, but remember this, when you want to export in the format of FBX, only standard formats will be acceptable, standard materials. But I ignore it because this topic is for later. Again, in Unreal, here at this section, here right click, a new folder, I name it Maps. Then I drag these two files to Maps, Move, yes, here again, select all of them, right click, then here fix up redirectors to solve any problem. Here right click or duplicate this map, right click and duplicate, or Control D. I name it Import Level. I open it and then Save Selected. I delete these items which I create them here. I don't need them. Delete. Then here I delete these static meshes from here till here, delete. Yes, all. Okay, like this. Now this one, delete. Okay, save. Now here at this section, we have mesh here, this one, and a new folder here, and I name it Import Pivot because I want to add it just here. I need a new folder. Right click here and import. Then we import this file. Select it, open. For now, you should know that these items should not be selected. Ignore other parts. I will talk about other parts. Then here, import all. The material will be right here, but without any special texture. and I click and drag this one in the scene. When you select move, rotate or scale, no difference. This gizmo which is here is according to this point. I mean here in top view, which we can see it better. And then here in perspective, I press G to hide this. I select this here, and then here in details or here windows, details, I open this window to be able to work easily. Look at here the location, 130, minus 40 and 20. When I have 0, 0, 0 here, or when I reset it with this click, this gizmo will be at 0, 0, 0, and this item which was above the surface will be sticked on the surface. See? And here is the gizmo 0, 0, 0. Because of this, it's really important that coordinates are according to 0, 0, 0 or not. Now I select this and here attach with this one. They will be an item, single object, okay? Then here, affect pivot only, then right click on gizmo and 0. Only Z, not X or Y. Only Z should be 0. And now all of them 0. Control Z, because here we have some other parts. Here I can attach with these items right here. Okay. Then here again. This one is okay. Here 0, 0, 0. See? Now again, export selected. Now this object is attached. I want to export it as a single object. I name it to pivot. Save. Okay. Okay. Then here in Unreal, right click, import. Then this new model can be imported. Again, import all. Now here are all of them, and this one is 2. Okay, now save all to save all of them.